LCD replacement, deep cleaning, and SSD upgrade on Dell Latitude E5450 laptop. Thank you, Sir Dennis, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Replacing the LCD, performing a deep cleaning, and upgrading the SSD on the Dell Latitude E5450 is a highly practical and well thought-out decision by the customer. Each service addresses a specific area of concern and collectively contributes to restoring and enhancing the overall performance and longevity of a laptop. The customer chose to replace the LCD on their Dell Latitude due to persistent screen flickering, which has started to affect visibility and overall usability. Flickering displays are often a sign of hardware failure and can lead to eye strain, reduced productivity, and a frustrating user experience. By replacing the faulty LCD, the customer ensured a clear, stable, and comfortable viewing experience, restoring the laptop's display quality and making it more reliable for everyday use. The deep cleaning service targets dust buildup inside the laptop, which if left unchecked, can lead to overheating, noisy fans, and degraded system performance. By removing dust and improving internal airflow, deep cleaning helps maintain optimal operating temperatures, prevents potential hardware failure, and prolongs the lifespan of critical components. Lastly, the SSD upgrade replaces older or slower storage with a more efficient solution, greatly improving boot times, file access speed, and overall system responsiveness. For users who rely on their laptop for daily tasks, this upgrade results in a noticeably faster and more reliable machine. Together, these upgrades make the Dell Latitude E5450 feel refreshed and capable once again, offering better performance, increased reliability, and long-term value, making it a smart and cost-effective decision for the customer. By choosing PTT IT Solutions, you are ensuring that your laptop is handled with care and precision. This multiple service not only solves immediate problems, but also acts as preventive maintenance, minimizing the risk of future hardware failure and preserving the smooth operation of your device. Replacing LCD, deep cleaning, and SSD upgrade is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your replacing LCD deep cleaning and SSD upgrade too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.